Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the tour on home screen and settings basics on Redmi Pad 2. So first, here is our home screen. You can open the floating app on it by pressing onto the app and now this icon. Now it enables the floating windows that you can close like that. Then in settings, we have the home screen options. Home screen, we have the classic, but you can enable the app drawer. Now, right here, it should change, okay. And now we have the app drawer with all the apps. Back into the settings, we have the double tap an empty slot on the home screen to lock your tablet. You can enable. Then home screen layout, fill cells of uninstalled apps, and also lock home screen layout. In others, we have the system navigation. I have selected the gestures, but you can change to the classic 3 buttons. I don't want to learn the gestures. And we have preview making. Right here, mask previews for apps displayed in recents. You can enable for which app you want to mask the notifications. Then in settings, we have the notifications and status bar. Right here, you have the notification for lock screen, floating notification, and badges. Oh, oops. App notification, and you can here disable or enable app notifications for certain apps. And here you have the notification styles, so you can change to classic on the or the Android one. Now the customize icon display. Right here you can change the display icons in the quick settings. Battery indicator, right here I have inside the battery, but you can disable completely or outside. Now, right here, we also have the display and brightness. You can change the dark mode, disable or enable back again. You have the screen brightness and the automatic brightness that will automatically change the brightness depending on the surroundings. You have the screen colors and refresh rate. Now in the home screen, when you click and hold onto the free space, you can change the wallpaper, the widgets, and go into the settings. Also, you can change the app's placement. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.